Hello and welcome to GWiz Academy. In this video, we will be seeing how to create subdomains under the main domain. So for this domain, I'm going to create some subdomains. For example, it is GWizCourses.com, and for my, GWiz courses, I need a separate subdomain for instructors and separate subdomain for admin in order to manage the website or say files under it properly and separately. So basically what it does is if we create subdomains under the main domain, it creates a kind of compartments to store files separately. So let's get started. I'll be creating one subdomain under this main domain. So first of all, log into your cPanel account. So once you log in, search for domains. Okay, under domains, we have domains over here. See, in this interface, the option is of domains. Otherwise, you will get an option of subdomains. So you need to click over that and follow the same steps. And if in case you're not able to find the option, you can always make use of search bar. So now I'm going to just get in to domains. And over here, we can see the existing domain. And if any subdomain was created previously, it would show up over here. So now click on over here. I clicked on create a new domain. Okay, so we are going to write the subdomain name over here. So for example, admin.gwizcourses.com. Please note this dot over here is mandatory to create or say to portray that it is a subdomain. Okay. So it is admin.gwizcourses.com, or it can be instructors.gwizcourses.com as per the requirements, but this dot over here is mandatory. Now over here you can see the document root. Basically it will get stored under admin.gwizcourses.com. okay, and it is under public_HTML only. If in case you feel it is not under public_HTML, we can just give a let me explain it in a better way. Let's open the file manager. Over here you can see this is the home directory, okay, but the websites are hosted under the public_HTML. So if you want your subdomains to be visible to the users and it to be like what you can say accessible in the front end, then you need to create subdomain under public_HTML. So similarly, we need to give the path over here. It is under home root. It is under public_HTML/admin.gwizcourses.com. So this folder will be created under public_HTML. Okay, click on submit. Okay, so you can see we have successfully created the admin.gwizcourses.com. So let's see if it is created under the file manager or not. Okay, under GWiz courses, yes, this is the admin, and we have some existing files over here, I guess. Oh, sorry, under public_HTML. I checked the wrong one. I'm sorry. So under public_HTML, we need admin.gwizcourses.com. So under admin.gwizcourses.com, we can see that the folder is successfully created. Therefore, we have successfully created the subdomain. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. We'll definitely clarify your doubt. And please subscribe to GWiz Academy. Thank you.